Hello everyone, I choose joy. Today I am making a biscuit pudding. Yes, I wanted to find out what to do with a whole bunch of biscuits. I did not want to toss them, and I could freeze them, yes I could, but I wanted to see what kind of dessert I could make. As usual, the ingredients are located in the description. Okay? Y'all hear this thing going off? I'm making dinner too. I'm doing it all. Come on, let's do it. Okay, let's dig in. Good gracious, y'all. Dang, this is good. Oh, wow. I'm gonna make some lemon sauce and put on top of this. This is something special. I dare say, I've done it again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell others about this channel. Why? Because we're spreading joy around here, y'all. And making biscuit pudding. Happy eating.